I love strapping that harness on and the adrenaline that you get whenever you are going to do something that somebody normally wouldn't do. I'm Tyler Greathouse. I'm the Field Coatings Manager here at NICS. The projects that we work on in the Field Coatings Division, they're awesome. They're large scale, big, audacious projects that you can really take pride in. Everything from roof coatings to make a facility watertight, thermal insulation to make a building more energy efficient, to corrosion prevention, sandblasting, painting, polyureas, tank linings. All these things have to be done or the customer's facility will corrode away. We prolong the life of anything that they have that they need to have for the next 50 years. The customer gets to see it directly. They get to walk into their facility every day and they either know they have a watertight facility or they get to see that decorative coating or they see that tank sitting out back that's been blasted and coated, and it's something they don't have to worry about. We get rid of their eyesores and we get rid of their issues that they have.